Hello, everybody. I am so very excited about this unboxing. I got some fish, and it was my first time ever going through this guy. Now, he has a YouTube channel. He's on multiple platforms, but he doesn't have no ratings as far as on the band rating app or the Facebook rating app. He is soon to get one after this, but his name or channel is the Cichlid Dojo. I have three very incredible fish that we are going to have fun watching grow out. So I'm going to have to get some large tanks. Alright. Ooh, look at that, itslanum. Boy, these fry are little. He did say it though, he didn't lie. So, we have the itslanum right there, that dude. And then we have the multifasciatus and the feste, all alive and doing well. The shipping said they wasn't coming until Friday, and here they are today. So super quick shipping. What else does he have in the bag? Your standard heat pack, and the thing is still warm. So hands down, 10 for 10. I'm sorry I ever doubted you, Matt, and I appreciate it. Maybe we'll be doing more business. I hope you guys enjoyed the journey of watching these guys grow, because they are beautiful fish. This is the multifasciatus. Sorry about my pronouncing of these fish. And I just figured you didn't want to watch the acclimation process, so skip that. This is the feste, aka Red Terror. Obviously when he gets bigger, he would eat those guppies. This is just a temporarily hold grow out. And here's the itslanum. He almost looks like those jewel cichlids a bit. Again, just a grow out tank. I wanted to have a good cycled tank.